Ka Sorkar jela kadang beteng ban up ya ka jingmynjur jong ka All India Council for Technical Education na kabenta ka Shillong Government College of Engineering bakan sedang no ya ka jingshim class. Haba pentip ya kani hak arpro terik no pra umentri katanat puli puthi ka Sorkar jela rakam e sangma ulaong baka tanat kadang penkre hakabaya de baka jubab halor ke jingkeli ke balabu da ka AICTE. Maria pendap ya kani ka senjam ngin salit siya ka AICTE na kabenta ban yo ya ka jingmynjur na kabenta ban sedang no ya ka jingshim class jong ka Engineering College ulaong. Katkum ka jingpen pau jong umintri ki jingkeli balabu da ka AICTE kambun ki don jingade halor ka jingpen wandor ya ki kamera class ka jingdon ki kamera bat ki wepan. Hidangnya le ban penbiang ya baro ki jingdon kam ki bayade ka jingte ula benram. La ban kedau ba ka jingpen tre ya ka academic block ki hostel ya ki shinrang bat kentei la ban pendam bat ya ka bala plipat ba ru da umintri rang ba na du ka katnriu trik kalalingkad arjar arpulai.
Now the building is already ready, but a certain, I mean, certain modification is to be made only. So we are on the job now. So we have to get the approval from the AICTE on this respect, then get proceed. That way, you will get to know later. So we have already completed the appointment of the Vice Chancellor, the Registrar, and the financial officials, and immediately when the new VC took over, I will do all the needful things. The process of recruitment, the process of affiliation, all things will start. But on top of that, we want to start the new university. Will start its academic session from next academic 2025 onwards, with some few department from the art, from the humanity, and from few department from science. So that's we are expecting, and we want to start some department which is not there in other university of the state in other country, like tribal studies, like the sports, right? I think we want to add it more, like, and there will be many more departments will attract the students from outside the state, outside the country too. So I think we'll make it, but it is up to the Vice Chancellor and her entire team to make it functional. Yeah. So it's I'm not be able to tell you now, but I've already instructed Vice Chancellor and officials is to work out with the immediate which department can be started immediately. So function will be started immediately and already or in the process. But for sure, 2025 the academic classes will start from 2025 only.